strategy, you're going to make more profits than losses. So guys, before I continue the video, let me just remind you, if you are new on my channel, this is the first time you're watching my video, you are welcome. Please make sure you like the videos, and you can also watch my previous videos. You like them, and don't forget to subscribe. And again, to get my videos every time I upload, you can turn on that bell so that every time I'll be uploading any new video, you'll be notified. And guys, subscribe after watching this video. I know you're going to enjoy it, because most of us, like any other trader, we do learn. Like, we never stop learning, so we do learn every time, and every trader has his or her own way or strategy of trading. So long as you found that one strategy that works for you, stay there and always respect that strategy that you are using. So that is my key. Like, that is that is what I normally use. I respect my strategy. I have to wait until I confirm with the indicators that I use, that I'm about to share with you. So the thing is, you respecting your strategy and always being patient. So as for me, that is what is working for me. So I'm going to share with you some of my live trading, so that you can also see what I normally do, because I've seen some of my fans requested for a strategy that I'm using when trading Forex. So here I am with this video. I know it will be helpful for those who are looking for ways or strategies, simple strategies that they can make money with more profits than losses. So with this strategy, I trust, or according to my experience, you will make more profits than losses. So let's go, guys. So the strategy that I'm using is support and resistance. You guys know what support and resistance is, and for those who don't know, this is what I mean. This is the resistance, then this is the support. You can see they are all marked. So when trading, we also have downtrend and uptrend. When the market is up, okay, for me, I normally use 200 EMA. That is, anytime the market is above 200 EMA. Okay, people use different EMA. So me, I'm using 200 EMA. So anytime the market is above 200 EMA, that is uptrend, and anytime the market is below 200 EMA, that is downtrend. So you can see we have on both uptrend and downtrend, we have resistance and support level or support zone. So as you can see, so let me just show you what I mean by this. So this is the graph. So let me show you the plain one. So this is what I'm trying to say. Like, here is the resistance. Then okay, when the market is on the overbought zone, that is the resistance. Then when the market is oversold zone, that is where we have our support. So I hope I'm making sense. I don't know, but I hope I'm making sense to some. So let me take you to my live trade, or right now where I'm trading, so that you can see how I set my indicators plus the strategy that I use to get in a market. So guys, this is what I use. This is 15 minutes time frame. We have different time frames, and this strategy works with all time frames. You can use 30 minutes time frame, you can use 1 hour, you can use 4 hours, and day time frame. So for me, I normally use 15, sometimes 30 minutes, sometimes 4 hours, or even days. So most of the time I use 15, but at some point I'm using 30. So you can see how I draw my lines. So this is my support. This is my support zone, you can see. then this is my resistance zone or resistance level. So when the market reach here, it bounces back. So right now, this is 15 minutes time frame. I entered this trade. I wanted to enter here, then I fell asleep. So the time I woke up, the market was already here, then I had to enter. And I know that even if it goes there, still it will come back here. Because, my target was to enter the market when the market was right here. Because I knew it was going to go back to this point. But because I overslept, then woke up, got the market here. So I just reached and got in the market here. And you can see on my 15 minutes time frame, this is AUD against USD. So you can see right here, the market is on downtrend. So mostly here we take sell trades. Okay, according to me, I normally, with my strategy, I normally take sell trades when the market is under my 200 EMA, because that is what I use, guys. That is what I use. I think I said that earlier. So this strategy is simple. It's so simple. Like, it doesn't require you to know much, or like, it's so simple. It doesn't need you, like, it doesn't require you to do much things. You only need to set your account, know what indicators that you use, and when to enter and when to exit the market. As for me, I normally don't use most of the time I'm not using stop limit, or mostly I just use take profit, but I don't use stop limits. I have my reasons. Most of the time, that is what I do. So right now, I know that the market reached resistance level here. It will come back to support level for it to go back again. But if it crosses this red, okay, you can see my drawing right here, this rectangle thing I've drawn here. If it crosses up to here, I'll have to wait a little to see if it will form another trend, like it will form another trend, or I will wait until it crosses here for me to know where the market is going. But for now, you can see I entered market here, and I'm waiting for the market to hit my TP, that is take profits, right here. I don't know whether my explanation is understandable. I don't know whether I'm making sense or not. I don't know. But to whoever is listening to me keenly, I know they are getting some points. So let me enlarge this so that you can see what the graphs are like. So you can see this is the strategy. Okay, I'm using two indicators. I'm using MACD, and I'm also using D maker. The green one is the D maker, that green line. Then this one with the graph and the red line is D maker and moving average. So I'm going to show you how I've set my two indicators. So you can also enlarge, you can see right here. So according to the two indicators, it's showing that it will go up. Let's see what's happening here. It will go up. Okay, here it will still come back to this level. I don't know whether I'm making sense to someone, but this strategy is so simple. So long as you know where your support level is and where your resistance level is, trading will be so easy for you guys. Like, it will be so simple for you. You only enter the market when you've seen or your strategy has confirmed to you that you can enter the market and the market is safe for you. Everyone is just trading with the strategy that is working for them, because maybe what is working for me might not work for you. So it's a matter of try and error. So if what is working for me is not working for you, look for another strategy that is simple and can work for you. So this is what is working for me. I want to show you, since I started trading this on this account. This is Plexi Trade broker. So it is now, I think, 2 weeks since I started trading on this account, and I have never gotten a loss. That is why I'm telling you guys, if you know how to identify your resistance zone and your support zone or support level or resistance level, it will be so easy for you to trade without losing any amount, no matter how small the amount, like the amount you started trading with. Because for me, I started trading with 30 USD, that is $30. You can see right here, whatever I'm saying, I don't know, maybe my explanation is not that clear for you guys to understand what I'm trying to bring on the table or what I'm trying to bring at home, but I hope someone somewhere is maybe following or trying to understand what I'm trying to say. So you see, this is honest review. Let me show you something, guys. You can see last 3 months. This is last 3 months, and you can see the day, time, and date I started trading on this account or this deposit was made. You can see, guys, I'm not faking anything or trying to show you something which is not there, right? So you can see $30 was what was deposited in my account. You can see on 2024 September 20. Oh yeah, it was deposited, then I never traded. Like, it took me so long to start trading here because of some reasons. Maybe, let me just say some reason, because I wasn't feeling well, so I had to chill for me to feel well, because you cannot trade when you are sick or having other issues with your health. So I had to take a break. The money was there for that time. Then you can see when I started trading. You can see, guys, the date, the difference, the range. You can see right here. This is the day I started. So I've been trading slowly by slowly. You can see right here the days that I've been off again for some time. I've been not trading. When I'm not feeling well, I'm not trading, because I don't want to give my body pressure or pressurize myself, and I know I'm not feeling okay. So I have to chill until I get better, is when I resume everything that I'm doing. So you can see right here, guys, I've never lost even a single dime with this same strategy that I'm trying to share on my screen. You can see I started with 30 USD, that is $30, and I've made a profit of 75.07 cents. That is the profit that I've made so far. And you can see that my balance right now is $105, and my target is to reach $200 by the end of next week. Just step by step. I'm not hurrying. I'm not going to risk big amount. No, I'm just going to take it simple, to take it slow, like bit by bit. No one is chasing me, neither no one is rushing or pushing me to, like, I'm just taking my time, and to prove that it is possible, no matter how small the amount you start with, or no matter how big it is, you can make something out of it. So if you are a beginner, it is when you're beginning your Forex journey, or you are still learning, you're still doing demos, you can use this simple thing. So let me just show you that the strategy. I've shown you what I use most of the time. I use different methods, but this one is the most simple one that beginner or anyone who has been trying to trade, trying different methods and it's not working for them can use. It's so simple. Like, you don't need to struggle. No sweating. You just enter your trade when you know it's the right time. Then you just relax, set your TP, that is take profit, then wait for the market to hit your TP, then get out of the market, look for another entry, then enter. In a day, you can even trade 2 times or 3 times when the day is good, or maybe trade once in a day, maybe wait for the next day or the next day after that day. You don't need to like trade every time. You have to do confirmations and know when to enter when your indicators plus the strategy you use has confirmed that now you can enter or exit the market. I don't know whether I'm making sense or something. I don't know. So let me show you something that I use, and you can also imply, like, you can apply the same thing. Yeah, you can apply the same thing if you feel that it can work for you, or you can train yourself, because nobody was born when with all these knowledges. We just learn different things. And for you to learn, if you want to learn, please teach yourself to learn by yourself and explore. Just do research, do more research. You don't need to depend on someone or one thing, or just do research, just explore, just get used to it. Like, just teach yourself so that you don't be on the same point every day. And another thing, before I show you the indicators, 2 indicators that I use and how you can set them, there is this broker that when you deposit for the first time, they're going to give you 100% deposit, 100% deposit bonus. So if you want a broker and you also need something that can boost the amount you have, for example, if you have $30 and you want to start maybe with 60 or above 50, but you have 30, you can register with this broker. I'm going to leave the link on the description, and I'm also going to pin the link of that broker on the comment section. You can join, create account, or you can inbox me or comment. I will reach you out and tell you how to can get started. So you'll get 30%, like 100% of your deposit. So if you deposit 30, you get 30. If you deposit 50, you get 50. So I'm going to leave the link on the description of that broker. And again, guys, let me show you this before I end this video, because it's getting so long. So these are the brokers that are not brokers. I mean, these are the strategies. No strategy. I've shown you what I use. This is the two. All these are the two indicators. Okay, I'm using moving average, and I'm also using MACD. You can see. And I'm using D maker, as I said earlier. So my moving average is on main chart. You can see my main chart, and the two indicators are on indicator window 1. You can see that is MACD and D maker. So my MACD, you can see, set EMA, fast EMA set 12, then slow EMA put 26, then MACD SMA put 9, then apply to close style. Okay, here you can choose what you want, but as for me, I'm using 2 pixel dark color, then 3 pixel red color, then levels, just leave it the way it is, then click done. It's already set, so you'll see that on your chart. After that, go to D maker. period put 12, then style, me I'm using 3 pixel for so that it can be visible, and the color I love is green. You can also put yours green or whatever color you want, and levels leave it at 30 and 70, then click done. Then on my EMA you can see, as I said, I use 200, period I use 200, shift 0, method linear weight, then apply to close, styles 3 pixel blue color, then tap on done. That is it. So when you go back to your chart, you'll see that all the settings that you made have already been set so you can see, guys, what I was talking about. You see the market is now coming back away, so I'm not stressed. So I'm just going to leave this trade to go as long as it wants, but at the end of it, I know it will finally eat my take profit before even afternoon. That one for sure, because of the strategy that I'm using. And another thing, guys, you can see after setting my MACD and D maker right here, you can see this is my EMA, 200 EMA that I'm using, because people are using different EMAs. You can see the market is under. This is I've said the pair that I'm trading. Most of the time, all these trades that I've done, I'm just doing this AUD USD. That is what I'm trading on this account since I opened it. That is the same pair that I've been trading all along. That is because I don't want to confuse myself setting like other pairs too. I just want to focus on one, so that I know when the market is uptrending or the market is downtrending or what is going on with the market. So I'm focused on the same pair, on one pair, so that I don't confuse myself. That is how I trade. When I start trading on a certain account, that is what I normally do most of the time. So you can see the market is on downtrend because it is under my 200 EMA, the blue line. You can see it right there. So again here, what I normally check is when the D maker has crossed, when my D maker has crossed MACD, you can see here it has crossed, meaning I was supposed to take sell, the way I said, I was to take sell position here. Immediately it crossed. That is what I normally do. Let me see. Yeah, so you can see I was to immediately I saw this, I knew that the market was going down. So that is sell position, sell trades. And again, on my graph, like you can see right here, you can see it is confirmed that the market already hit my resistance level, and it bounced, it started going down again, to mean that it didn't go past my resistance level, to mean this was a sell position. It was confirmed. You can see right here. I don't know whether my explanation my explanation might not be that clear, but whatever I'm trying to say is so clear and simple. It's so simple. In fact, I'm talking too much. This thing I would have taken even 5 minutes to explain it, but next time I'm going to do that in the next video to make it so clear. I'm going to improve on that. So I will take only 5 minutes to explain all these things that I'm saying. Yeah. So guys, that is it. I think that is all I wanted to show you. Yeah, so for now, I think that's all. Yeah, and guys, if you're watching my channel or you're watching my video, you're on my channel for the first time, you haven't subscribed, and you've watched this video until this point, please Subscribe. At least appreciate me by just subscribing, liking the video. You can also share with your friends. Yeah, that's a way of appreciating somebody. You don't need to pay someone or to send them money. In a way of appreciation, like in a way you're appreciating them. Hmm? You can appreciate somebody by just doing something simple, like you just subscribe and like the video. That's all. And you can also share with your friends. You can also download the video if you still need it, or you need to watch it, or you to watch or to share with your friends, or to watch it in future. You can just download it. Yeah. And otherwise, thank you so much, guys. I think I've come to an end of this video. Thank you so much. I hope this video is going to help somebody who is stuck somewhere. And see you in my next videos, guys.